everyone. The video shows how to use YiLuProxy in Opera GX browser. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Select rotating residential IP or data center IP. Select a location. Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port. Run Opera GX browser. Click the settings icon on the left. Click Browser. Slide down. Open your computer's proxy settings. Turn on Use a proxy server.
Enter 127.0.0.1 and port 5500.
Then save.
Then on the browser, enter epinfo.io to check the IP address. The location of the IP is that one selected in YiLuProxy client.
Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.